Hajra, and today we are gonna talk about an amazing product that I got recently. So we are talking about this amazing product, Tval from Bbamna. So guys, this came in May and I was really excited and really waiting for this one because recently, as you guys already know, I am going through a lot of hair related issues. My hair are literally, oh my god. So you guys must be knowing about my hair situation that I've been talking about on my stories and stuff like that. They are just really bad nowadays. Like, it is so difficult to handle them and they look absolutely rubbish. So I really always saw people like, I am facing this issue. I cannot handle my hair, so they sometimes looks absolutely rubbish and very, rough and all of that. Very frizzy, like so dull and dead, almost like dyed or worn out grass. So and I literally mean it. So I've tried a lot of things. I had been like, they have been improving, but still they are not up to the mark. How I see so many girls have beautiful hair. I know everyone's not born with beautiful hair. It's just, when you keep on getting so much done. I did so much to my hair, and this is all the outcome of all of that, which I really regret. But whatsoever, people do not have naturally very gorgeous hair. They do take care of it. They style it every day, putting a lot of amazing products which work for them. And then just by looking at all those beautiful girls, having those beautiful hair, I always wanted to make my hair look like that, or somewhere like that, but I always failed because, guys, this hair, I don't know what's wrong with them. If for any event where I am not wearing my hijab and I have open hair, or if I want to do any hair style, I always have to sit in front of my hairstylist to get it done. I cannot do simple straightening, or like, I can do it, I know how to do it, but the outcome is not perfect. She uses a lot of stuff to make my hair look presentable. Yes. So long story short, they are miserable and very difficult to carry and looks like total shit. So guys, I've always wanted that, very quickly my hair look very shiny, very soft, and very beautiful. Like, at least while I'm just going somewhere, at least us waqt ke liye, not like entire day, but at least, if I'm going somewhere, they must be presentable. So I came across this product, and this one really made my day because, yes guys, I used Tval. Now, I have talked about the packaging and everything in my first impression post where I was unboxing it. So all of the details are down there, which is my previous post. So go and check that out, please. It has the prices, the deals and everything, the discounts, everything. So this, after using it twice, once on myself, once on Laiba, thanks to Laiba, thank you baby. So after using it on myself and also on Laiba, I am here to give my verdict about it. Now guys, let me just take out this one. Let's just talk about the serum first, which is the first step. This one, I really like how it performed. It's just like 2 pumps that you need to cover your entire hair to make them very super soft, shiny. And you can in your semi-dry hair, you have to apply this, and once you are done applying that and your hair dries up, then you have to follow with the second step. But let me just talk about this. As I said, it really gives you high shine, very soft, and a good looking hair, which you see and get like, yeah, this is some hair and not grass. So literally. So, and this really, as it says, frizz control and detangling, and this really does that. I never expected that a product would literally help me handle my hair, but this one did, and I was so happy. One thing that I have like a con about this one, ये मैंने अपनी previous post में भी mention किया था कि इसके ऊपर कोई भी cap नहीं है, like किसी भी तरह का protection नहीं है, तो ये messy भी बहुत हो जाता है. मेरे 2 यूजेस में बॉटल बहुत messy हो गई थी. मैंने अभी इसको clean किया है, मतलब हाथों पे आ रहे, product भी waste हो रहा है. प्लस आई डोंट नो अगर कहीं भी जैसे रखा हुआ हो तो ये पंप हो जाता है, यू नो कोई कैप नहीं होता तो पंप हो जाता है, तो उससे भी प्रोडक्ट वेस्ट हो रहा है. आई सो वांटेड लाइक अ कैप ऑन दिस एंड इट्स लाइक गुड टू गो. लाइक प्रोडक्ट की परफॉर्मेंस इज 100% एंड जस्ट दिस वन थिंग दैट वाज अ लिटिल बिट you know was hitting in my mind and I was like, let me just put that out there. So otherwise I really like the quantity of the product. Like you need 2 pumps. I just washed my hair and this is not supposed to be put on the roots, so I just washed my hair and I had properly I did 2 like center partition and then I applied 1 pump on one side and the other pump on the other side, so 2 pumps and you're good to go. You don't have to put it on the roots, just on the length. So once I was done with that and my hair dried up completely, just for a little bit of, you know, if you're using any straightener, curl or anything, it will give you heat protection, furthermore shine, softness, and you know that look that you look, you know, at the hair looking so fresh, gorgeous, and कोई भी फटे फटे से नहीं लग रहे होते, रफ से नहीं लग रहे होते, very healthy looking hair, and कोई भी tangles भी नहीं होते उसमें. So this is really nice. I really love this mist is step 2. I absolutely love the packaging. I love that इसके ऊपर कैप है एटलीस्ट, वरना तो पता नहीं क्या हो जाता. And yeah, this literally worked out for me. And then I did my hair straightening, and literally I do hair straightening quite a lot, and जो इसमें इफेक्ट आया ना, दिस इज़ व्हाट आई ऑलवेज वांटेड, कि हेयर स्ट्रेटनिंग के बाद भी मेरे बाल बिल्कुल रफ लगते थे. लाइक आई स्वेयर बिल्कुल रफ लगते थे. मतलब वो जो एक स्ट्रेटनिंग वाला सिल्की सॉफ्ट ब्यूटीफुल सा लुक आता है ना, वो आते ही नहीं था. बट दीज 2, I love you guys. Thank you Bbamna for coming out with such an amazing product, like a first hairline product, and it was a hit for me. Just wanted like a cap on this one, otherwise it's perfect. Like the performance, like it's just like a packaging thingy, but overall the performance is great, and I would rate this 9.5 over 10, and this is amazing. The entire set here retails for 3,000 rupees. Actual price is 5,000, but for now it's on discount, so you can grab it. It's for 3,000, and if you use my code H151 you get free goodies worth 6,000. And yeah, that is it. What another thing that I love, as I mentioned previously, that the packaging has all of the guide that you need to use this product. So just buy it and you'll love me, because this really changes your hair situation. They are very, you know, handy now. Like I can handle them as per my desired look. Now I will see in the long run if it is really, you know, overall look तो बहुत अच्छा से दे रहे हैं, but you know अगर आप इसको रूटीन वाइज यूज़ करते हो तो इन अ लॉन्ग रन कोई मज़ीद फ़ायदे अगर इससे होते हैं, तो इफ़ आई गेट टू एक्सपीरियंस एनी काइंड ऑफ extra benefits apart from just handling the hair, I would totally love to put that out again on my feed. But for that I would be needing like a month or 2 to really see if it's giving me any long-term benefits or any long-term issues as well. We don't know, but for now it is working great for me, and also for Laiba. Both of us are using it, and it really gives a very refreshed, beautiful looking, freshly detangled, as it says, non-frizzy, beautiful, shiny, luxurious, soft hair look that you can easily, you know, very confidently walk out in. So yeah, that is it about my verdict about this product right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know this was a little longer, but I wanted to put everything out there, you know, very clearly. So I must say it is Hajra Vadhariya approved, and you must get this one. And let me know how you found it, because this product is literally amazing, and it is an amazing new line by Bbamna, which is called Tval Pro. I really like the name as well, and I really like everything about it. All the good luck and the best wishes to the brand, and we see you guys are coming out with so many great products every day, and we hope to see so many more in the future. So that is it, and I'll catch you guys in my next post. So till then, bye bye, love you all.